Hi, girlfriend. Hi. Are you going to show off your crawling skills? Here she goes. Here she goes. Here she comes. Oh, goodness gracious. Come on. Show us your stuff. Show us your stuff, Kate. She loves to get up on those back feet. And sometimes she'll get a good little crawling stride going. But not always. A few crawls. Huh. Come on. Come on. I know you have such good posture. Oh, goodness. Here she goes. Go, Kate. Go. Go, Kate. Go. Oh, we're taking lots of sitting breaks, aren't we, Kate? Are we taking lots of sitting breaks? What are you doing with those crazy legs? What are you doing? Turning to face me. I want to show your profile. I want to show your profile. Here we go. Go, Kate, go. Go, Kate, go. Kate is 6.5 months. Aren't you, little one? Here you go. Woohoo! Woohoo! And she got to mommy's toes. What's over here? What's over there? Oh. Here she goes. Here she goes. Good girl. Bouncing a bouncing. She's got to answer her cell phone now. She's very busy. She's very busy and important. Always up on those feet. Always up on those feet. Where are you going? I'm over here now. Oh, oh, oh. Are you going to come and get me? Are you going to come and get me? Oh, here she comes. Come on. Come and get me. Come and get me. Where are you going? Where are you going to go next? Where are you going to go next? Happy baby. Happy baby. Go, Kate, go. Here. Want to come get your cell phone? Uh-oh. Your cell phone's going off the hook, Kate. Who is calling you? Go and find out. Go get it, Kate. Go get it, Kate. Go get it, Kate. There she goes. She's gonna get it. That's pretty good crawling. That is pretty good crawling. See you next time. See you next time.